if you're just getting into 3D printing, or even if you've been doing it for a while, you probably know the printing part is only half the story. What really makes your prints look clean, professional, and ready for display or use is what happens after they come off the bed. And that's exactly why I picked up this 32-piece 3D print toolkit from Serplex. I wasn't expecting much for the price, but honestly, it surprised me in the best way. So this kit is absolutely loaded. Inside, you get a cutter clean upset with 10 blades and 3 different handles, a deburring tool handle with 5 extra blades, a double-sided polishing bar, needle file set with 10 different files, precision tweezers, pliers, and a few more essentials, all adding up to 32 pieces total. Every single tool is packed in a nice or organized storage case, so you're not digging through a mess every time you start a project. Now, if you're a beginner, you might wonder, do I really need all this stuff? I had the same question. But let me tell you, once you start using these tools, you'll understand how much of a difference they make. For example, the cutter and deburring tools help you clean up rough edges, remove leftover supports, or smooth out stringy areas without damaging your print. The needle files are perfect for getting into tight corners or refining fine details. And the pliers are super useful for snapping off supports cleanly without cracking your print. The real magic of this kit is that it saves you time and energy. Instead of hunting for random tools that kind of work, you have everything in one place ready to go. This isn't just for people printing huge robots or intricate models. This is useful even if you're just making keychains or small figurines. Whether you're printing toys, cosplay props, parts for project, or just experimenting, this kit will help take your finished quality to the next level. The best part? It feels made for real users. You're not paying for gimmicks here, you're getting practical tools that solve real 3D printing problems. I got mine for $17, and for what's inside, I'd say it's a great value. If you're into FDM or resin printing and want your prints to look as good as your designs, this toolkit is honestly a no-brainer. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. This Serplex 32-piece kit is definitely worth it. Great value, decent quality, and everything you need in one box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and 3D printing content. See you in the next one.